Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Ivy and I'm a YouTuber and content creator based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. And in today's video, I'm just going to be sharing with you what I did this year, 2025, to get ads to start showing on my videos. Now, if you are newly monetized and ads somehow stopped on your videos because of one reason or the other, mine stopped because I didn't do my identity verification before the time I was given, and so it was pulled out. And when I eventually did it and my monetization came back, my ads stopped showing, so I was not earning revenue for over a week. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you what I did, and if you want to know how to resolve this issue, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. It only takes 1 second. Okay, welcome back guys. So this especially happens to like YouTubers who just got newly monetized, and one or two things might happen and ads will stop showing. Now, when it happened to me, I didn't, like I said earlier, verify my identity on time on AdSense, and I exceeded the date I was given, and so AdSense pulled my ads showing on my videos. And when I eventually verified my identity, I discovered that ads were no longer showing. Now, I tried everything. I contacted YouTube support from my YouTube studio, and they were just talking OP, like, oh no, ads, not every advertiser will want to show ads on your videos. I said over 200 videos, not even one is showing ad. They tossed me here, tossed me there. I waited. I contacted I waited another day, contacted support to speak to another, chat with another YouTube support team member, and I was given the runaround. I saw a video that someone was like, go to AdSense, troubleshoot the problem, send a screenshot and send a feedback. I did all that, still nothing. So I'm not going to show you the process. All that process, it's not worth it at all. I tried every single thing, everything. Like, there are so many things I did here. They said turn off, use your system, turn off monetization for all your videos, wait for 3 hours and turn them back on. I did all that. Your videos, like maybe your private videos videos that are scheduled, turn off monetization for them so that the system knows that the public videos are monetized, the private videos are not, like monetization is off. I did all that, nothing. Then again, it might even be a mixture of all the bubu things I did, but I noticed after I did this one thing, everything changed. And it was someone's video I just came across, and he said you did a live stream for 10 hours and monetization came back on. And I said, I'm not gonna have 10 hours to do like live stream. It's not possible because I have like things to do. And so I started watching videos, towards that aspect. This is year 2025, and I was reading comments, and people were like, it didn't work for me. Somewhere like it worked for me. Some people who even took the thing, they didn't come back to give feedback and all of that. So I was like, oh God, like I was just praying. I had done everything at that point. I just thought, okay, I'll just leave everything. And people were saying, oh, you have to link another AdSense account. Oh, you have to keep disturbing YouTube. You have to keep disturbing AdSense, Google. You have to do this and do that. So that day, I just woke up and said, okay, I'm going to do a live stream. That morning, before I did the live stream, while I was still trying to research, I came across one particular video, and it was what the person suggested that I did, and it worked a whole lot. I did the live stream with my phone, so I'm going to be sharing my phone screen with you right now so that you see exactly what I am doing. So the very first thing I did is to go to your YouTube app, and you click on that plus sign and you select live. Now, after you select live, you first click on that pencil button. You see where you have Ludovic is live. Under visibility, change it from unlisted to public. That's the first thing you will do. Then you scroll down and you go to advanced settings, and under advanced settings, ensure you enable monetization, turn it on. And after that, you click on, you can edit any other thing you have to edit. Click on no, it's not made for kids, and then you click on go live. You just go live, have the video on, and just say what you have to say. The only thing I will say is ensure that your live is more than 10 minutes long. So do whatever you have to do. Tell your friends, let's like few people join in the live, like 3, 4, 5, and then you just do the live for like 10, 15, 20 minutes if you can, and after that you exit the live. And I did that, and then after about 18 hours, because the guy whose video I watched said his own started working after about 10 hours. Mine didn't work after about 10 hours. It started working after about 18 hours. I was watching a video on my phone and I was not seeing ads. And so at the end of his video, he suggested something like watch with a desktop, or like the desktop version on your Google Chrome or whatever. And I did that, and I saw that ads were showing. And then after like, you know, like complete 24 hours, it was, I feel like it was trickling down. After like a complete 24 hours, ads were not showing like as usual on my videos. So the only solution is going live. And when you are going live, ensure that these settings are on. And when you do that, just wait, be patient. 24 hours, just give it 24 hours, and you will see that your adverts like are back on your videos. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for staying tuned till the end, and until I come your way again next week or later this week, remain blessed. Bye guys.